Ever feel like learning is a struggle, especially as you get older? It's totally normal. But guess what? It's not your fault. We're not really taught how to learn. We just kind of expect it to happen. The good news is, there are ways to make learning faster and easier, no matter your age. Let's dive into the science behind it. Our brains are amazing. They can physically change in response to experiences, a process called neuroplasticity. When we learn something new, tiny connections form between neurons, making us better at it over time. Cool, right? But here's the thing. Learning requires attention, alertness, sleep, repetition, breaks, and even embracing mistakes. First off, pay attention. Focus on what you're learning, and you'll retain it better. Exercise can help with alertness, too, making your brain sharper. And speaking of exercise, did you know it can actually increase the size of your brain and improve memory? So, get moving before you hit the books. Now, let's talk about sleep. It's not just for resting. It's crucial for turning short-term memories into long-term ones. So, make sure you prioritize sleep before and after learning sessions. Repetition is key, just like practicing a sport or a musical instrument. The more you repeat something, the stronger those brain connections become. And don't forget to take breaks. They give your brain a chance to replay and consolidate what you've learned. Lastly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're actually opportunities for growth. Embrace them, learn from them, and keep going. Remember, you have the power to unlock your potential and learn faster and more effectively. So, next time you're studying or trying something new, use these tips and watch yourself soar. You've got this.